basically came straight here.
Yeah, yeah.
Today we just installed the MRT Extreme Mid Pipe on this Ram RHO. Let's hear what it sounds like. All right, I see that smile.
Wow. Oh, that's a lot different.
That is a cold start, so it'll drop in RPM and get a little deeper too.
Yeah.
So it's the third one.
Yeah, that one sounds good. Man, it was such a difference, night and day difference. Wow. Man, that's such a big difference. That's awesome. Thank you, Dave.
Yeah,
I appreciate
no
that, man. Wow. I like it. And the price isn't bad. It's definitely worth the money. If you know what I mean?
Absolutely. How many miles you got on this thing?
Like 110.
All right. So you basically came straight here.
Yeah. So I think it's going to be a little more exciting to drive now.
Awesome. Well,
Thank you
we're
guys.
glad to help, man.
Thanks,
You have a good
MRT.
day.
Appreciate it.